Welcome to the Social Stack, your go-to channel for your marketing-based and technology needs. I'm Amy Stack, and today we will be going over how to add reviews that you've received through your Keller Williams Command website onto the live site. So when a client leaves a review through your Leave a Review page, you have the opportunity to review the testimony before it goes live. So if you're interested in seeing how to add in testimonies, go ahead and click the card here, and you'll be able to see the video on how to load those testimonies in. I'll also add a link to build this page. So go ahead and click the card now if you want to learn how to build the page that you're currently seeing and add it to your website. Once somebody has left a review in this section, it will show up on the back end of your command database. So we want to have a page here. It says what our clients say. We want our testimonies to show up in this section here. So I'm going to show you how to get testimonies that have already been loaded into your site to appear here. So it's nice that you get the ability to see them and choose which ones are actually loaded on there. So if there's something you don't want to show to the public, you don't have to highlight that on your website. So we're going to go into Command. So I'm just logged in. I'm on the home screen right now. And all of the pages that you've already created, you can access in Designs. If you need to see how to build the testimony, the review page, go ahead and click the card now, and you can see how to build the web page that we're editing right now. So first we're going to click Designs. Like I said, this will already have to be built. We're going to go to Agent Site. And you can see I have one here labeled Testimonies. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And this is the back end of the testimony page. So once you have your testimonies that people have started to leave, you'll be able to access them here. So you can see currently the page is blank. If I go ahead and hit Configure Widgets in the bottom right and click on Testimonial List, if I scroll down, you can see that there's one in here. So I just entered that, and it does automatically check it off. If you don't want it to show, you can just uncheck it. So I'm going to click that box. We're going to hit Save and Apply. And now you'll see on the left-hand side that it popped up in our preview. This is now what will show on our website to the public once we hit Save Changes. Once you have several testimonies that have loaded into your site, you'll see an option to check the box on or off for any testimonies that have come in here. So just click the ones you want, and you can choose which information you want to feature on your public site as well. So if you want to edit any of your text or what is showing to the public from what your client left, just check these boxes or edit the text in here, hit Save and Apply, and then just hit Save Changes in the top right, hit Yes. I'm going to come back to the website here, refresh the page, and you should be able to see that our testimony has loaded in, and there it is. So that's how you make your testimonies live to the public on your Keller Williams Command website. Thank you so much for watching. Feel free to click through the cards to see other tutorials related to testimonies.